it is. Nearly there. I'm Simon Summers. I'm a trained heritage blacksmith.
Right, I'm Kate the Blacksmith. I've been blacksmithing for the best part of 25 years, I reckon now.
I'm Gary Johnson, artist blacksmith.
My name is Mario. I'm from Mexico.
Hi, I'm Mark Constable. I run Alfresco Forge, which is a primitive blacksmithing setup.
I do all my welding in the forge fire, so everything that I would weld would only be purely at molten heat in the fire, the oldest way of joining two bits of metal together. I come purely just to share the craft and hopefully inspire young people and older people that may want to change their lifestyle to be more closer to nature. So I think that the craft field is really, really special and important to people to find that hidden potential to make. There's an atmosphere that they go away smelling of smoke a little bit if they're in the forge. They get dirty hands, and that's good to get dirty. And they realise, a lot of them, that they've got potential to make other things. They could, some people haven't picked up a hammer before, so they can steer that hammer to create things that they've never dreamed of, and then they realise they've got this control.
I think it blows them apart. It blows them away because there are things that they wouldn't normally get to do. This field is full of those ancient skills that you don't come across. Nobody does it in school anymore. They don't have the blacksmith or the basket maker or the felt maker down the road anymore that they used to. So when they discover it, it's just mind-blowing for them. And the fact that they can get down and dirty and get in there and get their hands dirty doing it, it's wonderful.
People enjoy a lot try to do something with hands, especially with this fire. With this fire, you hit the metal and bending, make shapes.
Well, who sees a blacksmith now? Children wouldn't even know that the blacksmiths in villages. They wouldn't associate the blacksmith's arms or the blacksmith's house with the blacksmith. And so they get to see how the whole of the industrial world started from someone swinging a hammer. People get to see there is more than just mass produced. Not everything is made in China, made in Korea. You can get the most beautiful handmade stuff made by a lot of really talented artists.
Better to be a little gentler. The hands-on bit people like, and from a personal point of view I enjoy that as well, because when you get a 10-year-old girl coming and giving you a hug for making something, it melts you. It's like fantastic. From a blacksmithing point of view, you've got a lot of hot metal about, so we decided to try forging aluminium, which we can do cold, which is a bit more relaxing, less dangerous, and it's worked out absolutely fantastic. We've had children, all ages doing it, because normally at shows it's the opposite way around. Nobody really wants to get involved and that, and this is just fantastic. It's the way it should be. That was a right ball.
So just go through,
I come from a Romany background, so this is my mum's roots. This is what she would have done. So I'm happy.
I barter. I don't charge them for workshop, but I say bring me something in exchange. Small children bringing me bits of flapjack. I had one child who screeched at his violin at me for half an hour, which was splendid. I got offered a night at the Royal Ballet.
I really enjoyed it. I think it's really fun, and it's a really nice thing to do. And
you come away with something that, like, if you make something you can use, then you can have it at home.
This year I wanted to come and experience something like this. It's quite good fun.
Never done anything like this before.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, it's my first time Glastonbury, and we just wanted to make something to take home with you as a souvenir.
It's just brilliant to kind of make things. I thought I'd make him a nice Celtic bangle.
It's actually really nice doing with Mum's much, so it's actually quite nice to have the excuse to just do a bit of creative stuff.
Never made a leaf before. This is harder than I expected.
So yeah, I'm really excited. Hope it comes out.
So is that your design?
First of all, you have to do the stamp, so you push it down like that, and then you